Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. The topic of today is quite interesting and that I want to tell you briefly first, then we are diving into it. I want to share with you that what investment opportunities right now we have and what the Fed is doing. Why it's increasing the interest rates, and why all the central banks are also increasing interest rates. Is that in favor or it is wrong? Either it is right. Will it give profit benefit to the countries, to the as a whole world, this global village, or it will give the loss, or in the long run what will result in? Now, first of all, this is the yearly gold chart. Now during this video I will moving between these four charts. This is the gold, this is the silver, this is the United States interest rate, Federal Reserve, and this is the chart of the inflation rate, yearly inflation rate. Now, what is the problem? Why the Fed is increasing the rates, and how far it can go? Now let us begin with the US inflation rate history. Now this is the chart of the inflation rate. Now right now we are here, and I would like to mention especially the period of 1979 and 80. In that period, this was the inflation rate, and we are right now below that. And now let us move to the data of the interest rates of the 1970s, 79 and 80s. Now this is that data. Right now we are here, and in the 1979 or 80, this was the interest rate was too high, and right now it is here. Now let us compare it with the inflation rate. Now let me open what is this? I want to show you the inflation rate. Now let us open bear with me. I am not that fast according I am my age, and I don't have any assistant, so I do by this myself. And currently I have opening the 4 windows, and it becomes a bit difficult for me to manage this, but it was very important to make it easier for you to understand this. But this is very important video, what to invest, where to invest or not to invest right now. This is very important video. You have to bear with me and watch the complete video. Now this is what, because when I load 4 videos, then sometimes I make errors. I've been trying for 1 hour to set these, and sometimes I do open one chart and talking about the second chart. So please bear with me, and I'm trying to make this a bit will be, you will have to bear with me, but I want to make this video perfect. Perfect means in the sense that it is recorded right. The chart that I'm talking about about that should be on the screen. So now this on the screen, this is the inflation rate chart. So I want to show you now the inflation chart. This is the inflation chart, and now where to concentrate at, focus at 1970, 79, 1980. This is the focus that we need to maintain, and the current. This is the 1 year chart, 12 months chart of inflation rate. Watch, focus on these two things. What was it in 1979 or 80, and right now. Now I am moving. Let us move to the. This is inflation rate, and now let us move to the interest rate. Okay. Now this is the interest rate. This is right now, and this was in 1980s or 79. This was okay. Now what it looks like, what is the difference between that? At that time interest rate was very high, and what was the inflation? Again watch this please, this is very important video. Now this is the inflation rate. Inflation, what gap we have right now? This is the gap. Now I want to show something here. I want to put something that what should I put here to highlight this? Is there any highlighter? May I find some highlighter here? Now highlighter, this is the highlighter. This period we need to keep in this period, 1979 and current. This is. Now let us move to the prices of the gold and silver. Now this is the gold price. This price was in 79. The price was 873 USD, and after that high rate, the price came down to 271. This is the price of gold. Now let us move to the price of silver. In what happened to the silver? This is the silver price. This was in 1979 or 80, and it came down up to, it fell from 48 USD to 3.64. Heavy fall. Now what I want to show you here, maybe I am unable to put that way, but you can watch later and research on this topic. The relation between the interest rate of the Fed and the inflation rate of the 1979 and 80, and the prices of gold and silver, fall of the prices of the gold and silver during this period. Now why it is happening? So what are the chances, how far the Fed can go in interest rate hikes? Now watch this. The interest, let me show you the interest rate. Now interest rate, this is interest rate history chart. Now watch here. from here the chart from 71 the interest rate went up to this level. Right now the interest rate is here. So how much room is available? How far can Fed go? There is a great space for increasing the rate, because in the past it has been so. And the inflation, once again I am moving to the inflation. Now the inflation, now let me open the inflation. Where is this is the inflation, and how inflation gap is. It looks like the inflation rate gap is smaller than the interest rate, but there is a gap, and there is possibility that any of the thing reaches to that level. There is the possibility, and the falling price capability of we are going to measure from gold and silver. Now this is the chart of the gold, and let me open that show you. Now this is gold. This is the capability, how far can it go down. This is the capability. This has happened in the past, and now once again move to the silver. Why this silver? How, what happened 1979 to 79 and 80, how it fell, what is the capability of falling, and how it has been falling down. Now what I want to say, two main things that I am talking about. Why is Fed doing so? Number one, is Fed correct or wrong? Most of the time the Fed is being blamed and the central banks are being blamed. I want to say that in this context the central banks are right. Central banks, what are they? Central banks are right. Why? Why? The reason is why. Now let me show you that why central banks are right in this condition. Now this is the chart. First of all, I am going to open the text and write something. Now let me write here. Central banks are central banks are doing good. Number one thing. Okay, why? What is the reason? What are the dangers of this inflation? And what is causing this inflation? Now I am going to write again in the text here. Text. Growth is the main cause of the inflation. Why? There is a question. And why? Because there are opportunities. this looks quite strange. When we have the chances, we have the growth chances, we have the opportunities, then the economy should flourish. But there is a negative relation between growth, I would rather say it overgrowth and inflation and the overall economy. Now what is happening right now? There are many opportunities in crypto investments. Crypto is a new thing. In artificial intelligence, in metaverse, NFTs, there are so many opportunities. And the investors and those who are already you would say those who have the capital, they have to compete in each other to go to be on the first number. So they will invest. They have their stakes. As much they will be investing in these things, they will be marketing it. And if any investor who has the money, he won't be able to decide where to decide. So the people will keep investing the money, and this will cause a great loss to everyone. So in this time of uncertainty, don't take any advice from the marketers who are marketing each and everyone. Now what to see? Anything that is genuinely being productive, invest in that. Not on that that is being promoted or marketed. I want to write this in text again. What? Invest in something that has been productive, not on anything just being marketed and we do not know what will happen it in this highly competitive competitive conditions. So we have opportunities, and these are the opportunities that are very good, but there is a competition. There is a competition, and in this competition, now how do I set this? So in this competitive, now let me set it. In this competitive time, watch and see something that has been really productive, that is giving something that is result oriented, that has been result oriented. What it is making, what is investing, what is collecting the investment for, is producing something. It has been able to give something. It is do not go just for the marketers who are collecting the money for the incoming opportunities. This is the time of great opportunities. As it is great opportunities time, so it is risky. So I tried myself as possible to put it before you, though I need some time to research, and I can uh, pro- uh, present before you in a other good way. But please watch this video, subscribe my channel, like my this video, and let me know in the comments that am I able to put the thing that I wanted to, what I wanted to say, what I wanted to explain. Have you been able to follow it, or I am unable to present this in good way? And if you want another video on this, please let me know in the comments. Through your comments I will be able to understand what you want me to do. I will try my best and make another video on also on this. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.